In this video, you will learn what is Databricks command level interface and how many ways we can access it. There are 4 ways we can access it, but before going into detail, we need to see what is command level interface. Command line tool or command line interface is to interact with Databricks workspace. You can work with jobs, repositories, database file systems, Unity catalog, tokens, and secrets. It's used heavily in CI/CD pipelines and automation. The method one is in through local machine. You need to install Databricks command level interface, and then Databricks configure. You need to give your workspace link, and then your token you need to give. The best you can use it for GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps, and Jenkins. So the second method is Databricks Notebook. Inside of the notebook, you can install Databricks CLI, and you can use it for demo, landing, and quick automation. You can authenticate it using your environment variables, host name, and token. It's not recommended for production CI/CD. The third method is through workspace terminal, where admin and few operations people, they have access to it. There it is, CLI is often pre-installed. You no need to local setup. You need to install it. You don't need to install it. Just it is ideal for job testing, repository operations, Unity catalog checks, etc. Method 4, it is for CI/CD pipelines. It is for production automation and GitHub Actions and Azure DevOps. CLI installed in pipeline runner. Authentication is via secrets and most enterprise grade approach. This is used for job deployment, repository sync, and model promotion. And finally, what not to do. Don't hardcode your tokens. Don't rely on notebook-based CLI for production. Don't use personal tokens in pipelines. So quick recap, 4 ways to access Databricks CLI. One is local mission. The second one is through Databricks Notebook. Third one is through Workspace Terminal. Fourth one is CI/CD pipelines. Thank you. Which CLI method do you use?